In front of me is TECNO Pop 7, and today I would like to show you how you can locate all your downloads. You need to begin by accessing an app called Files. When you find it, click on it. If you never used it before, select Continue in the pop-up and then click on Browse at the bottom in the middle if it's not already on. Lastly, select Downloads category. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. To access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!